Qué guay. Qué guay. Qué guay. This one is used in Spain and it's similar to cool or awesome. Okay? Similar to cool or awesome. So if you really like something, you can use this expression. Qué guay, qué guay. So you really like what you're seeing. Okay? For example, qué guay. Qué guay. Qué guay están tus zapatos nuevos. Qué guay están tus zapatos nuevos. This means those new shoes are awesome. Or your shoes are awesome. So as opposed to your new shoes are awesome. Okay? Because we're talking about tus. So this belongs to you. Right? I don't know what's going on with my brush. It's moving really slow. But anyways, tus means your. Okay? Qué guay. So you can add, obviously you can have qué guay, and then you can add something else. What is that you like? What is it? In this case, shoes, zapatos. Qué guay están tus zapatos nuevos. Your new shoes are awesome. Okay? Qué guay. By the way, just as I said before, this one is used mainly in Spain, but because, you know, the internet is bringing everyone together pretty much. All Latin American countries know what guay means. So you can use it in Spain, you can use it in Latin America. Qué guay, qué guay. But this word guay is from Spain. Okay? Guay, qué guay. You can also use guay, just this word, if you in different kinds of situations. For example, instead of que, you could say muy guay. So that means really cool, really awesome. Okay, muy means very or really, okay, or so awesome, muy guay. Okay, so I needed to let you know that for sure. Oops. What am I pressing? Qué guay. Okay.